How to delete Pinterest messages or whether it's possible to do that or not. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Pinterest on a device. Now wait for some time. Then tap on the message icon at the bottom menu. Now simply tap on messages. Now tap on the message. Now keep and hold the message. Now as you can see there is no option to delete the message. Even when you go back and try to keep and hold the message icon, it will not give any option to clear all the chat. So unfortunately on Pinterest, you cannot delete or clear the chat. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.